Hey everyone, it's James from FunFoods, and today I'm going to show you how to make these Butterfinger dessert bars. These are absolutely amazing. Keep watching and I'll show you step by step how to make these. The first thing we're going to do is start off with some peanut butter sandwich cookies like this. And we're going to take 20 of these and put it into a large plastic bag. You could also put them into a food processor if you'd like. Once you have them in a bag, zip up the bag, let all the air out of course. And then we're just going to smash these until they're in little bits. Now that these are all smashed up, we're going to open this up. We're going to add 1/4 cup of sugar. Mix it through pretty decently. Then we're going to add 1/4 cup of melted butter. Zip this up. And mix this up really good. When that's well combined, we're just going to bring in our pan. I have an 8x8 dish right here. We're just going to dump out our crust. Now at this point, if you have like a glass or something, you can press it down, just even it out. And you can press it in with your hands, or even the back of a measuring cup as well works. And while we work on the rest, I'm just going to put this in the refrigerator. Next, we're going to bring out our fun-sized Butterfingers, and we're going to chop these up. They don't have to be chopped up into fine bits, but just chopped up all different ways. And like I said, about 12 of them will do. I just have them on a cutting board here, and they don't have to be perfect, but just cut them up all different ways. Different sizes. Now we're going to take our chopped up candy bars, put that aside, bring in a large bowl. Inside this large bowl, I'm going to put 8 ounces of cream cheese, softened at room temperature. Then I'm going to add about 7 ounces of sweetened condensed milk. That's roughly half a can of this. Now we're going to add about 1/2 cup of creamy peanut butter. And just mix this up until it's well combined. When that's well combined, we're going to fold in 8 ounces of whipped topping. And we're just going to take this and fold it in. All right, when it is all folded in nice and you have one blended color, now we're going to come back to our candy bars that we chopped up and enter them into our bowl here. And then fold those in. And at this point, if you feel you need extra candy bars, chop them up and put them in there. I think we're good with 12, but if you want 15 or 20, be my guest. Now I'm just bringing out our crust that we put in the refrigerator. It's not going to be perfectly firm at the moment, but it's pretty good. And we're just going to turn out our filling right on that crust there. Spread it out really good. After the top is all smoothed out, I did cut up a couple more of our Butterfinger candy bars, and I'm just going to use that to decorate the top of our little candy bars. When that's all done, we're just going to put it in the freezer for about an hour, or in the refrigerator for about 4 hours. After over an hour in the freezer, it is firmed up nicely. We're just going to cut this into pieces. Now it's time for the taste test. Let's dig in. Amazing. These Butterfinger dessert bars were absolutely incredible. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit that like button. Also hit that big red subscribe button. You get new videos all the time. Check out this video right here. And until then, I'll see you next time. Of these